Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over about how you would jump start your car. Say your battery is dead, you left the lights on, and you come back into it. You've gotten in, you've popped the hood, and you've gotten access to your battery. Your battery is right here at the front on the driver's side on this Toyota Camry. This is a 2012 Toyota Camry, right? So we pop the hood. You get in here, this is your positive cover, so we're going to have to pop that up and leave. First you're going to check that you have tight connections, because if the connection is loose, that can be one reason why your car won't start or unlock. And then next, if you've done that and you know that, say you know that you left your lights on, well then you're going to definitely make sure to jump start it. So you can either put a jumper box on there, and with a jumper box you put your connections here and here. Hit the jumper box, turn it on, and then go start your car. Right? If your battery is completely dead, you're going to want to try to let it charge a little bit to get up to the thing so you don't overwork your alternator. But if you have jumper cables, you're going to take your jumper cables and you're going to take this one to put on the positive, and that's the red side, and there will be a plus sign right there. So you put that on there, and then you're going to ground this to a good ground on the vehicle, which this is a good ground. Any good bolt you can find, but generally the strut bolt works very well for grounding, and if this was exposed you could ground it to the metal here. But you would ground there and hook the other side connections to the battery, the positive and negative on the battery of the jumping vehicle. And that's how you would jump start your vehicle. Again, try to let it charge for 10 minutes or 15 minutes if you can, to give you a good charge on the battery so you don't overwork your alternator. So that's how you would jump start your vehicle on your car. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.